A wireless thermostat sends commands to your existing control board by converting wireless signals into the same control inputs the board expects, so you can add modern features without rewiring the entire system. Start by identifying the control board terminals and the functions they perform, such as heat call, cool call, fan, and common. Choose a wireless adapter kit that includes a receiver module designed to mount at the furnace or air handler and which maps receiver relay outputs to those same terminals. Power is critical, so verify whether the thermostat requires a common conductor or can run on battery power. If the thermostat needs a common conductor, you can use a power adapter or a receiver module that provides a common feed to the thermostat via a virtual common method. Install the receiver next to the control board and wire its dry contact outputs or relay outputs across the matching control board terminals, just as the original thermostat wires would. Configure the thermostat and pair it to the receiver following the manufacturer's steps, then test each function by initiating heat, cool, fan, and any auxiliary calls while watching the control board for the corresponding input activation. If the system has special features, such as two-stage heating or a communicating protocol from legacy equipment, select an adapter that explicitly supports those functions, or use a simple auxiliary relay to replicate the extra conductor behavior. Common mistakes include wiring the receiver to the wrong terminal and causing the system to short. Always turn off power and trace the terminal labeling and schematics, and use a multimeter to confirm continuity before connecting. Another issue is inadequate power at the thermostat, which leads to intermittent operation. Solve this by using a receiver that supplies a common conductor or by installing a power extender kit. So the thermostat has a stable 5 to 24 volt supply depending on its design. Third frequent problem is mismatched function mapping, where a receiver relay closes a different circuit than intended. Fix this by reassigning the receiver outputs to the correct control board terminals and retesting each function one at a time. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover feedback and experiences from other users so they can choose the right installer for a wireless thermostat upgrade. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host an active discussion community where users and pros exchange tips and troubleshooting advice.